happy and so overwhelmed with this reaction, and I'm so proud that at last an Indian movie gets to do the red carpet on Leicester Square. This is the happiest moment of my life, and I feel like crying honestly because this is really wonderful. And I hope more movies premiere here. Well, I'm wearing a Rocky S. My friend and one of my favorite designers.
शिल्पा जी थोड़ा हिंदी में बता दें, ऐतिहासिक घड़ी मानी जाती है, आज आपका दूसरा घर है यूके, तो आप बताएं कैसा महसूस कर रही है और क्यों?
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है और मैं बहुत गर्व महसूस करती हूँ कि पहली बार लेस्टर स्क्वायर में एक हिंदी मूवी का प्रीमियर होने जा रहा है, और मेरी खुशनसीबी है कि ये मेरी पिक्चर है और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि ये पिक्चर है, क्योंकि कंटेंट वाइज और जिस तरीके से इस पिक्चर को प्रेजेंट किया गया है, इस बात को लेके मैं बहुत खुश हूँ, और मुझे खुशी है कि मैंने शिका का किरदार निभाया है इस पिक्चर में, और मैं आशा करती हूँ कि लोगों को ये पिक्चर पसंद आए।
आपको ढेरों सारी बधाई।
थैंक यू। हाँ जी। A good film and some great performances, and they'll see me for the first time in a different role.
It must be very exciting being here on the red carpet.
Yes, it's the first time an Indian film is premiering on Leicester Square, so it's a huge moment for us.
Will it be a start of many to come? Lots of other Bollywood films in you hope?
I hope so. I hope so. Yes. Hi.
We're going to be live 1 second on the Asian Network, please. Yeah?
Yeah, sure. Go on. Hi.
Anish, we're ready.
Okay, hi.
Yes, Gagan, I'm here in Leicester Square and we've been joined by the lady that everyone has been waiting for this evening. It is, of course, the gorgeous Miss Shilpa Shetty. Shilpa, बताइए कैसा लग रहा है आज आपकी फिल्म प्रीमियर हो रही है लेस्टर स्क्वायर में?
ये एक ऐतिहासिक घड़ी है हम लोगों के लिए, हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के लिए, कि पहली बार एक हिंदी फिल्म लेस्टर स्क्वायर पे प्रीमियर हो रहा है, और मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि ये मेरी पिक्चर है, और बस मैं चाहती हूँ कि लोगों को ये पिक्चर पसंद आए, एंड दे ऑल फील वेरी प्राउड to take note that this is an Indian movie, and it's a film that's not pretentious. It's a film that actually shows the modern urban India, and that's the reason I feel very, very proud to premiere it.
शिल्पा ये बताइए कि जितने आज फैंस आए हैं यहाँ पर, आपको हैरानगी आई है कि इतने hundreds of fans आपके इंतजार कर रहे हैं?
I'm very touched and I'm really, really overwhelmed, and I'm so excited, and I hope they go into the theatres tomorrow and they enjoy the movie, and they're the ones who've made me a celebrity here, so I think it's become my responsibility to do some good work for them and entertain them.
And शिल्पा ये बताइए जो आपका रोल है मेट्रो में काफी बोल्ड है, एक औरत के बारे में जिसका एक्स्ट्रा मैरिटल अफेयर होता है, तो आपके ख्याल ऑडियंसेस तैयार है ऐसे सब्जेक्ट्स के लिए और तो कवर करते हैं फिल्मों में?
ये ऐसे लोगों की कहानी है जो एक बहुत ही डिफ़िकल्ट ज़िंदगी जीते हैं, बहुत ही एम्बिशियस हैं और ह्यूमन बीइंग्स है जो मिस्टेक्स करते हैं और अपनी गलती को सुधारना भी चाहते हैं. तो the film is about about characters that are fallible, and I play one such character, and she doesn't have an extramarital affair just because she doesn't have any reason. She's looking for love. Every human being is looking for love in life, but the decisions she takes in her life are so Indian, and I'm so proud to have done the role of Shikha, because she is someone who's so resilient, so self-respecting and so dignified in whatever decisions, and she gives the fact that being a mother is the most important thing in the world, and she's willing to give up all the all the rest of the happiness and make her marriage work at all costs.
और आखिर में शिल्पा जो हमारे सुनने वाले हैं BBC एशियन नेटवर्क पे क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप?
बस कि मैं सबसे बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार करती हूँ, and please continue to watch my movies, and all the listeners of BBC Asian Network, you rock, and thank you for loving me so much.
Thank you.
Does this not the move for you, maybe into some more sort of mainstream moves? Have you been looking at Hollywood?
Well, I've been offered some very interesting work here, and cinema is cinema. It really doesn't have a language, and language shouldn't really be a bar. So I hope to do good cinema, and I hope to do some good roles, and Metro being my first to be premiering here in London. I hope people like the film, and I hope people are happy with the way I've performed.
After the reaction to the incident with Richard Gere, do you think there may be a slight problem with the transition?
No,
to-
not at all.
No?
That was just a minority of voices that was heard internationally. That's really not the sensibilities of India. And a film like Metro will just reiterate that, because the urban culture is very, very different. And it's very easy to understand, because whether it be London, New York or Bombay, the culture is the same. The way the people react to it is different.
Sure, we see Danielle's here tonight.
Yes.
Did you invite her?
Yes.
And that was on purpose. Why did you invite her?
Now, the invitations had gone out to most people in the Big Brother house, people that I had met after I'd come out. And it's all in the past, and I've forgiven and I've moved on. So it's all okay.
Fantastic. Have a lovely evening. Thank you.
Thank you.